Hey guys, I'm back. It's finally time to do the bracelet winner, 50 subscriber bracelet giveaway. As of filming this video, we have 66 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for being here. As you can see, I do have laryngitis. I got sick. My voice has been absolutely gone, as you can tell. So that's why I'm a little bit delayed in doing this giveaway, and as well as work has just been keeping me really busy. So I'm gonna do my best to get through this and let my voice rest again. But I really didn't want to wait, any longer. I know you guys have already been waiting, and I meant to do this drawing on Wednesday, but I just was not able to. So I wrote everybody's name on these cute little kitty cat sticky notes. Very cute. And I folded them up and put them into this bag, just here. And I was gonna put them into a bowl, but I'm like, why not just use the bead spinner? I thought it would be funny to just use the bead spinner. Why not, right? Why not? So get them all tucked in there, all cozy. All right. I'll give it a spin. Who will it be? Who will it be? Who will it be? Should I let it stop, or should I I don't know, how should I do this? Should I let one fly out? I don't know. Should I just reach in and grab one? I don't know. Maybe the first one that flies out of the bowl. Maybe the first one to fly out. Oh, I got two that flew out. I had two that flew out, y'all. These two flew out. I guess I'm gonna go with the one on my right hand. Why not? Why not? Who is this? Melissa, Corina. At least I misspelled it the first time. Let's see. This thing is making noise. Be quiet. So Melissa Corina. I hope I'm saying your name right. So Melissa Corina is the winner of the bracelet giveaway. I also make a post about it to make sure you saw that you won. So what you need to do is take a screenshot of the bracelet you want and then email it to me. I'll put the email address right here in the video so you know where to email it to. And then we'll exchange information and I'll mail you your bracelet, okay? So that's all you have to do, and I'll mail it to you free of charge. So congrats to Melissa Corina for winning the giveaway. And thank you all again so much. Everybody else who entered and commented, thank you all so much for being here. I see a lot of people active on my channel every day, and I really appreciate you guys being here and for your support. It just means a lot that you guys like to see what I make every day and are just here supporting me. So thank you so much. And that's why I did this giveaway, as a way to say thank you to everyone. Excuse me. Who's been supporting me so far. I did not expect this channel to do this well so far. Like I keep saying, a lot of people will say that 66 subscribers isn't a lot of people, but to me it is. I think it means a lot, especially this early on a brand new YouTube channel to have 66 people and hundreds of views on my bracelet videos. To me, I think that's awesome to me, and I really appreciate all of you. So thank you so much. And I'll be doing more giveaways in the future, so stay active. Look out for other giveaways in the future. I'll try to do one for every milestone. Probably the next one will probably be at 100 subscribers, and then we'll do 200 subscribers, and then so on and so forth. So just to say thank you guys for being here. So thank you so much. Melissa, look out for my comment. Not my comment, I'm sorry, but look out for the email that I'll put in this video somewhere. I don't know which email to send you yet. Have not made an email yet for this channel, so I have to go make an email for this channel. And I'll paste it in this video. And then you email me a screenshot of the bracelet that you would like. Like I said, I made many videos across this channel so far. You guys have seen what I've made, so look to those videos. If you remember one that you saw back in one of my videos that you liked, it's like, oh, that's cute. Take a screenshot of it, and it is yours, okay? So I'll see you guys in the next drawing and in my next video, and thank you guys so much again. Bye.